a leading automotive manufacturer, Toyota Motor Corporation Australia, faced a critical challenge in improving production efficiency while maintaining strict quality standards. As demand fluctuated across regions, manual production planning and supplier coordination caused delays. Parts shortages slowed assembly lines, while unexpected defects increased rework costs. Limited real-time visibility made proactive decision-making difficult. We implemented an AI-powered production and supply chain intelligence system to optimize manufacturing. AI analyzed demand forecasts and supplier performance to optimize manufacturing schedules. Computer vision systems detected defects instantly during assembly, ensuring precision. Production schedules and inventory levels now sync directly with ERP systems. Quality checks are performed in real time with automated alerts for the team. The results? Production downtime reduced significantly and defect detection accuracy improved. Supply chain delays dropped by 35%, and operational efficiency increased across plants. This is how AI is transforming Australia's automotive industry, driving smarter manufacturing and enterprise-level precision at scale. For more information, visit our website or contact us at salesrvrtechsol.com.au.